Kling AI Consistent Character Tutorial for Beginners. If you've been using Kling AI and your characters keep changing faces or outfits between scenes, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to keep characters 100% consistent, perfect for comics, animations, and cinematic stories. Create a detailed character prompt once and save it. Include hair color, style, clothing, facial features, and even accessories. In Kling AI, turn on the seed number feature, or upload a reference image from your first render. This locks the core look, so even if you change poses or backgrounds, the face stays identical. When you want new scenes, keep your character description exactly the same and only update the environment or action. If you're doing video or comic panels, render in small sequences and feed each output back in as the reference for the next one. This keeps proportions, clothing, and face shape locked in. Thanks for watching.